Oh, so numbers is doing the possibility.
Food trucks. Oh my god, the food's so greasy. I don't want it. Wait, where'd he go?
I thought that was that guy for a second.
Wait, Jasper. Wait, he's right there. No, it looks really greasy.
Huh?
Looks really greasy. It looks really greasy. Brisket mac and cheese.
Which one do you want then?
I'll just share if it's like big.
Huh?
If it's like a big,
I'm pretty sure it's not big. It's like overly priced and overly like small size.
Should we just get the noodles?
I think it's greasy. What do you think? You think it's greasy? The
Squishy.
food? The food is greasy?
I like the...
Or something else?
Want to walk 15 minutes
15 minutes?
to Japantown
Japan house. Does it have sushi?
to get noodles?
Oh, noodles.
We want to find one of those. Like those things. You see that like thing, the hoodie?
Boba tea. Okay, that sounds good right now.
Hi, Asuna.
Hey, Asuna.
Hey.
Kasi yung walang price.
All the leaves are going in.
What is this? Oh.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Japanese food. I don't know what to eat. Hey, banh mi. Hey, Vim eats food. Vim eats food. I can okay.
There's one over there. That's the one with this. Oh, there's one over there.
Where? Other one? That one too expensive?
No, it's just I'm looking around right now.
Oh.
Which one do you think you would like so far? I mean, they're all gonna be greasy because they're like fast food.
I don't want to eat inside.
She wants to eat inside. What's there inside?
Oh, there's like a market over there where they sell like cheap stuff, good stuff. That's where modern police go.
Oh.
I'll see you later. But you can stay if you want. Amanda, where'd you get the fries? Okay.
Yeah, let's go to the board. You don't like the sun? No?
That's why I give you an umbrella.
So what do you do when it's like
Huh?
very hot outside? Do you go outside?
I don't go outside. I just...
You stay inside?
Whenever she goes outside, she brings an umbrella.
Hmm?
She brings an umbrella whenever she goes outside.
Oh.